Because tax evasion and tax avoidance. Tax evasion is legal. And bend the law is not breaking the law.
Tax evasion is
And tax
legal?
avoidance.
Hindi po lahat ng tao merong karapatang magsalita. Lahat po tayo may karapatan na magsalita ng tama. May karapatan po tayo because of the constitutional right. Meron tayong freedom of expression, pero may limitasyon po yan.
Wala ho tayong pakialam sa batas na sometimes you have to bend the law to be able to please the people. Mas mataas po ang taong bayan sa batas. Am I right, Secretary Remulla?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Mr. Chair.